How to make File Explorer transparent in Windows 10. You need to create a restore point for your system in case you don't want it, that you can restore back to the original file. Right-click on this PC icon under Select Properties. Now click on System Protection option. Click on Create option. Enter any name of your choice and then click on OK. The system will start creating a restore point for your machine. When it's done, click to close this. Now go in the description below to download this system transparency software. Right-click and extract this folder. Now cut it. Open this PC. Open local disk C, then paste it here. Now click to open it. Right-click on this, then select Copy. Now, right-click on Start, and then select Run. Here type in this code. Shell, 2 dots, then Start. Click on OK. Now right-click and paste the system transparency software. OK. Now double-click to open the software. Click on Documents folder. Here you will find this file. Click Open it. Now on Trans, change this to 230. Again, move down on Explorer here, put 1. Now click on File. And then select Save. Done. Close this. Move down to the taskbar. Here right-click and then select Setup and Info. Change this to 230. Then select Affect All Explorer Windows option. After that, click on Startup option. Boom! Now the Explorer is transparent. Here you can see how it's looking. So amazing! And if you want to see it clearly, right-click and select Personalization. This side, click on Colors. Here change from light to dark. OK. Now you can see it's transparent. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or need further help.